Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand front loader washer and you're getting an E65 error and you're wondering what this is and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So the E65 error is a water level sensor failure. So there's really one of two things that could be happening here, and they're both going to pretty much mean that you need to replace some parts. So either the wire harness is not holding things properly in place, which is causing it to think there's too much water in there when there's not, and then you're going to just need to replace that wire harness, or otherwise the water level sensor itself is actually defective, and you're just going to need to order a new water level sensor and replace the water level sensor. I wouldn't do either of these things without having done a hard reset on the washing machine first, which is basically a couple ways to do it. The main one would be just to turn it off and disconnect it from power for 3 minutes to reset. And then if the error persists after that reset, then you'll need to do one of those two things.